I'm wrapping up an evening here out at our neighbor's field down the way where we had garlic growing in this block, about 1/3 of an acre, up until about 2 weeks ago. We harvested recently. We've been curing that garlic in our garage, and we finally went through and got a good count of how much we have that's available for summer sale. Also, at the end of the video, I'm going to share an offer from my dear friend Erik. He's down in the Hudson Valley in New York and has just a bunch of beautiful potted up woody perennial and herbaceous perennial plants that he's looking to find a home for. Down in the description there'll be details on that, but I'll show a couple photos in a little bit at the end of this. And just as a little teaser, the rest of the field is growing beautifully right now. Potatoes are doing wonderful things, amaranth, corn, sunflower, tomatoes, and the like. We'll do a more thorough update video on this field in the days to come. But let me get back to the garlic. We have a few different varieties of garlic. We've got a variety of George watching as well. What we have the most of is what we've grown for years and years and years. This is our hardneck. They're a little bit smaller than they have been in years past, but they're still wonderfully nice and large. Big cloves, really wonderful flavor. They keep well. We have over 200 pounds of this seed available this season, which we're really excited to offer. We're also doing our elephant garlic like we have in the past. Giant cloves. That's a single clove. Really nice hardy, northern hardy strain of elephant garlic. That's another singular clove right there. Really mild, wonderful type of garlic. These are what we call elephant nuts, elephant garlic nuts. We do 25 of these for $5. I promise we'll sort out the little lumps of dirt in there. You'll get more than 25 for $5. And then softneck, which we've grown for a bunch of years. This is a purple skin variety that can braid really nicely. Juan and Sasha and Zelda and I worked on organizing and sorting and cleaning all the garlic today. There'll be a little Zelda TV at the end. We got some really nice shots there. But we worked on that this afternoon. We're ready to receive orders, and probably next week or within a handful of days of seeing this video and placing an order, we'll begin shipping. And there's notes on the website for cultivation details and storage of garlic while you wait to plant in the fall. It's really an easy crop. If you haven't grown it before, we strongly suggest it, and maybe we have some seed for you. And as I promised, there's a little bonus here. If you are anywhere near the Hudson Valley of New York, my friend Erik lives in Highland, New York, so this is not relevant for folks that are of greater distance. This is a local opportunity. He's got upwards to maybe 100 or more potted plants that really need to find homes. I thought I'd give him a shout out. He's shared some photos of the plants. In the description there is details of what the plants are, how to get in contact with him and make it happen. So if you would like a mid-season bonus to your food forest in the form of seaberry and hardy kiwi, I'm trying to remember some of the other things, they're in the description. Give him a holler and hook him up with some cash in exchange for some wonderful plants. They're about ready to have their second baby, and I thought, ooh, wouldn't it be neat if you didn't have to water all those potted plants and instead had some money for baby related things. But for now, we've got lots and lots of garlic. This is just but a tiny fleck of that. We'll share how the garlic was grown this year, what the harvest looked like. We've been doing a lot of tomatoes this year. We'll share about that. So many other projects going on, but for now we have garlic. Yay, George, yay! Now for some Zelda TV. Zelda! Hi! Hello! Yeah!